Good morning, fellow gardeners. As you can see, we're not out in the garden this morning. We're in the house. We're stuck in the house because it's cold outside. So what we're going to do today, we're going to show you how to cook Chinese cabbage and bok choy. A friend of mine came down from Lawton yesterday, Mr. Billy Pinnock, and his friend Tom. They came down, brought us a big box of Chinese cabbage and bok choy that they'd grown in water. So we're going to show you how to cook it on this video, and then we're going to make you a video at their place of how they are growing this just in water, in a box or in a tub. Real easy to do, and we'll be making you a video of that because I want y'all to do some of this also. So anyway, we have chopped up an onion, and we put in some minced garlic in the skillet, and I'm going to let Judy tell you how we have done all this now.
Okay, like he said, we chopped the onion up and we put in some minced garlic in our skillet. And I've already put some bok choy in here and started it, but I also put some salt and pepper in. So I'm not sure exactly how far I got to go with this, but I'm going to stir it up and simmer it for about 15-20 minutes is what I do until it's tender. And sometimes I have trouble getting the stock on the bok choy tender enough, so might have to cook it just a little bit longer. Okay, now we've sauteed our onions and our Chinese cabbage, and I've got it ready to, about done. It's simmered pretty well, and it looks to me like it's pretty well done, so.
Hold it up, let the viewers see that. Judy, if you want to the camera, they'll hold it up and hold it up there with it.
What we've done is we've got the Chinese cabbage well started here, and Leon and I decided, being as we're vegetarians, we're going to show you, we do have some vegetarian burger that we use in our food, and he's going to add some of this to this. I'm going to add some of this to my Chinese cabbage, and then we're going to put all this together with that bok choy that we cooked. So I salt and peppered this and seasoned it, and Leon, being the gardener that he is, he tells me that it's real easy to grow this Chinese cabbage and bok choy both. And this is kind of what it looks like. This is kind of what it looks like when it's grown.
It's a big,
So
huge head.
It's a big, huge head of leafy looking. It looks a lot like lettuce and cabbage, but it's related to the cabbage family, actually, is what it is, according to what I read about it.
And we will make you a video now of our friend Billy growing this in water. It's hydroponic, so easy to do, and so you'll be watching in the next couple of weeks after this airs, and we'll show you how to make you a setup to grow that cabbage and bok choy and lettuce and spinach all in just a barrel of water, like we did the cucumbers. Okay, this is what, since we're vegetarian, this is what we going by. We're not saying you got to use this brand. We just happen to go buy Morning Star. They've got several different flavors of steaks that you can get in the frozen food counter. They also have a Stripples that's used for bacon. They have a Prosage that you substitute for the sausage. And they have imitation chicken. They have barbecue. You have a lot of choices. So a lot of you, when you try to switch over from meat after eating a long time and you try to go be a vegetarian, you get to craving something like that. And so this helps you get through the craving days. And of course, we don't eat this every day. This is kind of a specialty for us to eat these. We like the vegetables that we eat a lot better, you know, our beans and our greens, our salads, Three Sisters salad and things like that. But this is kind of our specialty. We'll have this maybe twice a week.
And Leon's been a vegetarian now for 64 years, but I'm new at it. I've actually only been a vegetarian for 6 or 7 months, but I've been enjoying it, and I don't seem to have any harmful effects from it. We eat pretty well what we want to eat, and I have to watch my sugar because I'm a type 2 diabetic, but this has even been helping my diabetes. So.
And this is what I wanted to say was that vegetarians are the longest living humans on the earth. You can check this out, and they by far live 8 to 10 years, sometimes a lot longer than that. older than the meat eaters. But I'm not saying you've got to quit eating meat, nothing by that as far. But if you choose, or if your doctor insists that you get off of that meat, then this is a line that you can use. All right, well, we're going to close this video and
Okay,
guess
I
what
wanted
we're
to
going
show
to do.
this one
Okay,
more.
yes.
This is the finished product that we have here. This is our Chinese cabbage, and I've put in our burger, and now I'm going to put the bok choy into this, and that's what we're going to have for lunch today. Thank you.
So you know what we're going to do next? We're going to turn this camera off and we're going to get into this dish and enjoy it. So if you like this video, punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe. And guess what? We'll make you another video if you like this kind. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.